guys! For tonight's video kay mag-fishing kami. Fishing kita, friends? Fishing kita? Yes. So this is our
Fish.
bingwit. So ano pa sa English yung bingwit gang? And this is our hooks. We're
Fishing.
This is that's our ano yung English yung gang? Railroad. Para kami mamingwit. Mamingwit kita, guys. Rail and rod baya. Okay.
I need a jacket. A frightening. A jacket.
So let's bring shark cause if ever we don't catch shark.
Shark.
Okay.
Go.
Let's go now.
Yes. Tara na.
Oh, we're going to ride now to our tricycle. So, magfi-fishing na po kami. So, we're going fishing na.
We're going fishing. At my house.
Let's go.
Ow, dito mata.
It's just a minute drive from here. Okay, see you later. It's getting darker and darker no. But it's actually 8 p.m. pa. Mga 1 hour lang siguro kami doon. So, palabas na kami. Ay, no, oh no. Saan ako? So, here we come. Naan namin dito sa tulay kung asa may mamikuin. Mamingwit mi dire. Mingwit. Okay. We're here na, guys. We're here na sa tulay kung asa may mamingwit. Ano mi diri?
Sabi na ito ni
I look in TV.
Let's go. So, let's go fishing, guys. Let's see kung may makukuha ba kami ngayon. This is our view here.
Bag.
stings out.
Shrimps. So, this is our bait. Bait. Shrimps. Oh, we have our first catch. Hala ba kita? So let's see. Hala, 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 hala. So cute. Super cute.
Super cute.
Hi fish. Hi cute fish. Super cute. Cute fish.
Hello fish. What you doing fish?
First catch.
What you doing fish?
Ayun na kayo, hilap So, magiging pain na siya ngayon.
fish.
Fish laki. Hey, why is cute?
Na ano po? Wala na. Second catch. Eh.
There's a fish.
Another catch. Cute again. Super cute fish. Live pa siya.
Again?
Kasi mo dako.
So
Live ba
cute. That's so cute. Ay,
Oh, second catch. Cute fish. Ibis. So we're going to release it. Bye-bye fish. Bye-bye.
Naglaw na ko si Iboy na Iboy eh. Luag. Luag eh. Luag eh. Luag ka lang. Sige. Luag. Wala ko na tubig. Ano pa? Wala.
So, kitadloan si Prince ni Papa para makapalo na siya papa mingwit.
Yan na. Watay mo ko ng istawin nilo. Ay.
No, wow! May mo catch, Prince? Hello! Go! Ayun na. Ayaw pa huwit ng bingwit. Wow! Ay, kaya kakuha si Prince! Lalabi! Butang, Prince, butang.
I like it.
Wow! So, ato na sa balik.
Ikaw labak.
Ilabak.
Wait.
Ato na sa catch and release.
Me turn.
Balik Prince mo kay Bibi pa ni fish.
I like it. Oh, what is that? Whoa. Look this baby.
Balik ang fish kay gamay pa. Balik. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye fish.
Bye-bye.
Fish.
Bye-bye, fish.
Umarak balik naman yung isda niyo. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, bahiin na na.
Ay.
Siguro mo na mata.
Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na fish.
Ay. Ay, ako.
Oh, si Prince na mag-release. Si Prince na mag-release.
Takway ba siya?
Release na.
Isa na.
Ito na. Labak na. Bye-bye fish. Hi guys. Sinangonsa kami. Last na ini. Kay manguli na kami. Kay
Luto.
Jody pa silon. Klase pa. Bye-bye. See you next time sa ang pag-fishing.
Release na niya.
Bye fish. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na fish.
Bye-bye, fish.
Bye-bye na. Why are you crying? Ulit na kita? Pero na ulit na kita?
Ay, wanha. Ato ka para may. Sige.
Ulit na kita.
Diluli.
Ulit na kita.
Labot. Napala ako. Labotin. Hindi.
Ayaw.